In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to get the host's attention without interrupting the speaker, the raise hand feature is the easiest way to do it. It's especially useful during classes, team meetings, webinars, or any situation where people are taking turns speaking. Using this feature helps keep the meeting organized and lets everyone communicate more clearly. To get started, make sure you're already inside your Zoom meeting. Once you're in the meeting window, look toward the bottom area of the screen for the meeting controls. Depending on your device or Zoom version, these controls may appear slightly differently, but the option you need is usually easy to find. First, click on Reactions. This opens a small menu with several quick response options like emojis and other meeting feedback tools. The Reactions menu is where Zoom places a few nonverbal communication features, and raise hand is one of them. If you don't see it immediately, give yourself a second to look through the menu carefully, since the layout can vary a little depending on whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or another device. After that, click on Raise Hand. As soon as you do, Zoom will place a hand icon next to your name in the participant list, letting the host or speaker know that you'd like to say something. This is a polite and effective way to participate, especially in larger meetings where speaking over others can become distracting. Once your hand is raised, all you need to do is wait for the host to call on you. In many meetings, the host will either invite you to unmute and speak or will acknowledge your raised hand in order. If you clicked raise hand by mistake, or if your question has already been answered, you can usually return to the same area and lower your hand. A helpful tip is to stay attentive after raising your hand, because the host may respond quickly. It's also a good idea to keep your microphone muted until you're invited to speak, which helps reduce background noise and keeps the meeting running smoothly. That's all it takes to raise your hand in Zoom. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in helping meetings feel more respectful, organized, and easy to follow.